Welcome back, Wogglers. So today we're going to be going over how to create an email template in Zoho CRM. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do from your home screen is click that Setup Gear button in the top right corner. And then under Customization, we're going to click Templates. Alright, so this template screen takes you, and you've got a couple of different options here. You've got your email templates, inventory templates, mail merge. Today we're going to be focusing on just a regular old email template. Now, underneath New Template, the Inviting New Template button, we've got Favorites, Associated Templates created by me. These are just little file folders that allow you to organize your templates. Simple. Let's create a new template. All right. So the first thing you want to think about when you're creating a new template is where are you going to be sending this email from? So which record type? Is it going to be an email you send to your leads? Is it going to be an email you send from your deals record? The reason that those emails are associated to specific types of records is you can pull in information from those records into the email. So you can auto-populate these templates with, say, the lead's first name. Now, if you want an email template that can be of use across all of the different modules, you're going to have to create that same email template over and over again on each module type so that you can pull in the correct information, because you can't use a leads email template on a contact because it wouldn't know which information to pull. All right, so let's create one for the leads. It'll be our welcome email. All right, so after you click next, it's going to take you to the template gallery. Here you've got a couple of different choices. You've got your standard blank. You've got 1 column, 2 column. These are kind of pre-formatted so that if you wanted to drop images in there and drop copy in there, you could do so. If you keep scrolling down, you have celebratory, birthday, holidays, that sort of thing. Keep scrolling, you get your invitation styled ones. You get your follow-up styled ones. These are basically pre-styled templates that you could just edit. So if you like the general look of something, but you want to change the color of the button and put in your company logo, you can do that. It's just kind of pre-styled stuff for you. I'm going to start off with just a regular old blank email template. All right, there are 3 required things for an email template. 1 is there has to be something in the body of your email. 2 is you have to give your template a name. So I like to put what module it's associated with first, and then whatever I want to name the template. That way, when I'm looking at a list of templates, I can easily see what goes where. All right, so for the leads, we're going to do leads, welcome email. And then the last required thing is you have to give your email a subject. So the subject line that shows up after you've sent the email. So we're going to say, welcome. Easy, simple. All right, so let's focus on the body of our email here. When you create an email template, it goes ahead and it puts a text component in your email. And this acts just like a Word document or a rich text field, anything like that, where you can choose your font and the size of your font, bold, standard email writing stuff. Now over here on the left-hand side are all of your different components that you can add in to style your email however you'd like. You've got your different types of texts, headings, and the text one is just like the body. You can have images, spacers, images and text next to each other, a button, columns, a table. You can update the background. Please just play. Just go in here and play. You can't do anything wrong. You know, you can always cancel it if you don't like it and start over. So let's say, first we're going to go in here and it'll be a really simple welcome email, and we'll say, hello, and I want the first name of the lead to come in and pre-populate in. So all you have to do is hit that hash or pound or shift 3, whatever you want it to be, and as you can see, a list comes up. So it's going to pull from the leads module, because that's what we associated this email template to, and then I can pull it from any field, almost. There are a few exceptions, but pretty much any field on the lead record. So what I want to happen is that first name to come into the email. So, hello, first name. Welcome to our company. Perfect. And then I want my email signature or whoever is sending this email template out. I want that email signature to get pre-populated on here. So hit that pound button again, or hashtag, or shift 3, whatever you want to call it. And then it auto generates to the leads or whatever module you've associated it with, but you can drop that down and you can grab this users here. So the users, you scroll all the way down, it says user signature. And so when you've set up your profile, when you set up your user profile in Zoho CRM, you have the ability to set your signature. And so now when I go to send this email out on the leads record, it'll pull in my signature, or if someone else is logged in and trying to send this same email out, it'll pull in their signature. All right, and that's mostly it. You can add attachments to these templates. However, the thing to remember is that attachment is not dynamic. You can't switch out that attachment based off of anything. So if you're sending out a welcome email and you have a PDF that you send to everyone, it's the same PDF that everybody gets as a welcome, then that's a great thing to put on a template. But if that PDF can change dynamically based off of who you're sending it to, don't put it on a template. All right. Then from here, just click Save. You do have a Save Now and a Save as Draft. The thing to remember is if you saved it as a draft, you will not have access to this email template on the record until it's been properly saved, not as draft. All right, we'll go ahead and Save Now. It's going to ask me which folder I want to put it into. I already have created this public email templates folder, but you can create a new folder. I'm going to just plop it in there. Save. And there you go. That's your email template, and you can use it on the leads record. You could also use it in automations if you're working with that on a workflow rule. All right, thanks for coming. See you next time. Woggle woggle.